The ISO 12232 saturation standard, or ISO-SAT, provides misleading conclusions. If used to compare sensor sensitivity, it solely quantifies the light required to reach saturation and does not take into account sensor noise. The EMVA 1288 standard, however, accurately compares sensitivity. Light sensitivity is defined by how many electrons are generated per incident photon relative to the sensor noise. Basing your decisions on ISO-SAT values can lead you to a sensor with high noise or too few electrons per photon. The EMVA standard provides a scientific approach, allowing you to specify a sensor that maximizes quantum efficiency and full well capacity while minimizing read noise, otherwise known as temporal dark noise. Learn more in our application note.